What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Pixel 7a on deck, and it's the end of 2023, and I just want to talk about this device since it's the end of the year. This is the end of the year review for the Pixel 7a. Okay, YouTube, so I bought this device when it first came out towards the beginning of the year. I utilized the device. I had some fun with it. I thought that it came with a lot for it to be a budget device. Even though the price was a little steep at the time, at $499, this device offered an under-display fingerprint scanner, wireless charging, which the Pixel 6a didn't have, and also added the 90Hz display. So when it comes to my experience with Pixels and what I want from a Pixel, I felt like this device satisfied all my needs that I look to for a Pixel. Me, I'm a complex smartphone user, so when it comes to a device like a Pixel, I look for certain things. And one thing that this device definitely had nailed down is the camera system for the budget price at $500 and under, because of course throughout the year this device went as cheap as $370 brand new from the Google store. I could really get a lot of the point and shoot pictures that I expect from Pixels. That's one of my things when I'm using a Pixel. I like to pick up a Pixel and immediately this is the type of device that makes me want to take pictures. And the camera sensor accompanied with the Google computational photography really made that a good experience. Really just taking a picture, and yes, it will take a minute every now and then to add its magic to the picture, but once the magic is added, you got a great product shot, or you just got a great picture that you really don't have to do anything to. It just looks aesthetically good, and you really got to give a shout out to Google for being able to put that type of algorithm, software, AI, whatever it is together that you just get you the most appealing picture possible off the break without you touching it. I think a lot of manufacturers could learn from Google when it comes to this. So outside of point and shoot capabilities, even though this was the budget Pixel 7a, earlier in the year when it did drop, it had the latest Tensor G2 processor. At the time it was the latest. Of course now since the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro is the G3, but this processor was made to perform for flagship devices at the time. So with a device like this with only a 90Hz screen, the screen is not as bright, the processor is not as fast, and I just noticed this device flowed really smooth compared to some of the Pro Pixels that I had previously. But I feel like because of the less features, this device is pretty simple. The processor really shines. So for me, the performance was perfect for things like voice dictation, light gaming, social media with the 90Hz display. Just a great experience, and that's just the way that I like to use my Pixel. Not too intense, nice setup, more of a social media and communication device. Also, for this device to be under $500 price point, the video has to be commended also, because you get 4K 30 from the front facing camera and up to 4K 60 recording on the rear facing camera. You're getting decent video recording out of this device also, something that's hard to come by when you go into the budget realm of smartphones. And then Android 14 dropped. Google was able to accomplish something when it came to the performance and battery life of this device. I noticed that I had gains in battery life. I felt like the device was performing better after Android 14, and still to this day I still feel that exact same way. So it just made the device feel like that much more of a deal, even though the price was on the decline. When it comes to this device, I feel like Google got the basics right. Good performance, great cameras for point and shoot photography, killing flagships a lot of the times, and a nice smooth display. Maybe I wish it was just a little brighter, but definitely for tech per dollar, the deal of the year compared to just about every device that came out this year. And then you look at things like the test that MKBHD performs at the end of the year, his smartphone awards, blind camera test. This device is mentioned in both of those videos because it offers a lot. It offers the computational photography, which is very good and it's very appealing to the eye. So a lot of times when you look at these blind smartphone camera tests, Google has so much information to make their pictures look visually good to everybody, which is definitely a win when you include it in something like that for a price point at this point under $400. And also just a good compact phone. 6.1 inches is now the new compact phone. and you can actually utilize this device in a lot of ways. And with this device having a Tensor G2, it's like a compact pocket rocket that you can get a lot done with for a good price point that offers some solid features. So in 2023 or at the end, I would definitely still recommend this device to anybody that loves Android and don't want to spend too much money. But just my thoughts after everything that's happened in the year with the Pixel 7a, I wanted to bring y'all end of the year review. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.